Hi everyone, I'm Livika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've clicked on this video, then I know one thing about you, that you want to get straight A's. But somehow you feel stuck. I mean, you study for 6, maybe 8 hours a day, but still you feel like you're falling behind. You feel burnt out. It's like you're back to zero. If that's you, then don't worry. You're not bad at studying. You just follow the wrong method. In this video, I'm going to give you a clear roadmap so that you can master your subjects and get amazing grades. If you think the only way to get good grades is to sacrifice your social life, then you might be wrong. What if I told you there's a better way? A way to study less but learn more. That's the promise of this system. It's not magic, that's science. Firstly, forget the idea of more hours equals more marks, because grinding and cramming is not the reason people become topper students. When you focus too much on just studying longer, your brain gets confused, and confusion kills learning. Smart students don't think about hours, they think about strategy. The truth is, after an hour or two, your brain stops absorbing information. You might be just staring at the page, but nothing is going in. This is why cramming feels so useless. You might remember enough for the test, but a week later, all gone. This is something called the forgetting curve, which shows how fast we actually forget things. Traditional studying is a fight against this curve, and it's a fight you will lose. So if studying for hours is the problem, what's the solution? It's a system that just takes 90 minutes. I'll only give you the structure, the same blueprint I follow. So let's begin. Step 1. Understand how learning is actually done. The entire system is built on one 90-minute block of focused work every day. That part is totally your choice. This roadmap completely depends on you. How passionate you are, how smartly you want to use your day. We are going to break this 90-minute session into 3 30-minute blocks. Each one has a different job. 1. The learning block. 2. The practice block. 3. The recall block. Think about it like this. It's a process from understanding something to using it and finally to owning it. This is how you go from basic to advanced. So let's break this down, what to do in each block. Step 2. Well, in this case, listening is your foundation. This is where everything begins. The first 30 minutes are just for learning the new material. No pressure, no memorizing it yet. But here's what to do. First, set a 25-minute timer. This part is really important. And create a distraction-free zone. Put your phone in another room. Close all the extra tabs in your laptop. For these 25 minutes, you just have to do one thing. Learn. Watch a lecture, read a textbook chapter. Just focus on understanding. Don't try to solve practice problems yet. Just absorb. When the timer goes off, stop. Now you take a 5 minutes break. And I mean a real break. Don't switch to checking your phone. Stand up, stretch, get some water, walk around. This little break lets your brain start to process what you just learned. This prevents you from burning out. Step 3. Start practicing from day 1. Now comes the most important part. Practice. Most people think I'll start solving problems once I understand everything, once I learn everything. No, start practicing right away. Knowledge is not yours until you can use it. Set your timer again for 25 minutes. Your only goal is to solve practice questions. This is not the time to reread the chapter. You have to actively use what you studied. And listen, this part can be hard. You will get stuck, you'll make mistakes, you'll even get bored. That feeling of struggle is not a bad sign. That's how your brain builds memory. If you're stuck on one problem for more than 5 minutes, put a star on it and move on. Don't let one problem stop you. The goal is to get hands-on practice. That's how fluency is built in a subject. And when the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel more than you think. And you don't want to miss the final block. This is where the magic happens. And it's the secret that makes all of this knowledge actually stick. Now, everything we have done so far is getting information into your brain. Now this block is pulling that information out of your brain. And this is called active recall. This is the difference between topper students and average students. Now set your timer for the last 25-minute session. Now close your textbooks, put your notebooks away, and take a blank sheet of paper. Whatever you have learned till now, write it. Write the main ideas in your own words without opening your notes or textbooks. Redraw a diagram from the memory. Try to solve the problems again, but without seeing the answers. No one is listening to you. No one is judging you. You are doing this for yourself, not for others. After you have written everything you can, use the last 5 to 10 minutes to check your notes. See what you forgot. What were you not sure of? These gaps are golden. They tell you what exactly you need to review next time. What were the gaps? What did you forget? What were you actually not sure of? So you're not wasting time rereading things you already know. This is so much more powerful than just passively reading what you already know. So remember, this system is simple. Learn, practice, and recall for the next 90 minutes. Doing this every day consistently is so much more powerful than an 8-hour long study session. So this roadmap totally depends on you, how you want to use it. But what if I have my exams? On a busy week, you can do 2 90-minute blocks, afternoon and evening. This system is designed for you. Almost everyone can find a 90-minute window in their day. The goal is to build a habit that works for your life, your routine. Stop measuring success in hours. Start measuring it in focus and strategy. This 90-minute method is not a shortcut. It's a smarter way to learn. This replaces wasted time with science-backed strategies. You don't need pressure. You just need to change your studying method. So this is Levika, and if this video helped you even a little, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.